Greetings everyone, I'm Blanca. Today let's talk about the snap fits and how they showcase our dedication to excellence in every step of injection molding. Snap fits are ingenious interlocking plastic connectors. They provide a secure yet easily removable bond, perfect for assembling and disassembling components with a simple click. You'll find them in everything from car interiors to your favorite gadgets, making assembly and disassembly super easy with just a gentle press. At First Mold, our expertise shines in three main areas: mold design, mold manufacturing, and injection molding production. During the mold design phase, we prioritize simplicity and efficiency, steering clear of overly complex shapes to streamline the production process. We employ specialized slides and ejection mechanisms to ensure that each snap fit disengages with precision. Transitioning to mold manufacturing, we place a premium on precision. Our state-of-the-art machining and stringent tolerance management guarantee that every component aligns flawlessly, much like the intricate gears of a luxury watch, where each part is crafted to mesh seamlessly with the next. In the injection molding production phase, we meticulously adjust every parameter, honing our process to prevent warping or breakage. It's akin to a conductor leading an orchestra, where each instrument must be tuned and timed to create a harmonious performance, ensuring that our molded parts emerge with the desired form and function. The snap fits are just one small part of our injection molded products, but they demonstrate our attention to detail at every stage. Whether it's ensuring car parts stay securely in place or keeping your electronics assembled, our snap fits deliver reliability and precision. So there you have it. Got more questions or want to see different snap fit designs? Drop a comment below and we'll dive into it in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool insights. First your needs, mold your part.